At AcSoft, more people are using us as a supplier for noise, vibration and air quality services than ever before. You might think that's due to our unique hardware and service options, but actually it's the complete service package that our team go above and beyond to deliver.
AcSoft don't just start and disappear. Our bespoke training program ensures that you get the most from your equipment. I'm just one of the team ready to offer you the help you need.
AcSoft understand the importance of turnaround time, delivering equipment quickly, safely and to your specification, with clear communication throughout the process. We always hold equipment in stock to offer next day delivery service.
AcSoft have decades of experience. Not all applications are easy. Please let our experience guide you through choosing the right, compliant equipment for the right application, removing the stress and the risk.
AcSoft fully appreciates your needs. We understand your concerns when equipment is off-site, not making money or recording important information. This is why we set up a UK technical centre at our head office to prevent your equipment being out of action for more than just a few days.
AcSoft has the answers. Whether it's a hire, system purchase, or a calibration here in our lab, there is always someone available to walk you through and answer your questions to our 1 to 2 day turnaround service on your equipment.
The AcSoft team are why many of our clients use us for noise, vibration and air quality monitoring equipment. Why don't you give us a try? You'll be in safe hands.